It's our very first time charging here at Ikea North Lakes on the north side of Brisbane, and what a great location, right next to the freeway, easy to get to, easy to find, just at the entrance to the shops and going upstairs, so it's a ground level car park. Queensland Electric Superhighway, so 150 kilowatt Tritium unit with a backup 2 times 22 kilowatt Schneider charger. You need to bring your own cable, type 2 cable. There is a lot of shoppers still here around. It's close to 6 o'clock. So, perfect location, lots of shops and everything you need upstairs. All the food you can imagine, or not, but plenty of options. So come and charge in North Lakes. This is now one of many Queensland Electric Superhighway chargers. And the Driven just published an article today, which I'm posting the link below in this video, about plug and charge system that Tritium is now introducing to all these chargers. If this is your first time to this channel, welcome. Click subscribe, share, like this video if you did, and I look forward to talking to you in the next one.